asking for court to extend the time within which they will respond to our processes. So that is it. And you know, we vehemently opposed their application. But at the end of the day, the court, in the interest of justice, granted the application and awarded 50,000 naira cost against them. That's what transpired in court.
Okay. We also learned that the court still pronounced that the order granted on August 4
continues.
Subsists.
Yes, it subsists until the application is finally determined.
Until it is finally determined.
Yes.
So as long as this case goes on,
the injunction stays.
The injunction stays.
Although they brought an application that it should be vacated. One of the applicants says the injunction should be vacated. So the court will decide on that too.
On August 30?
On August 30.
On August 30. Okay. Any other question?
No. Thank you.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.